Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today, Dad and I are going to be checking out and taking for a spin a beautifully restored 1967 Mustang Fastback. Just a really high-end restoration, show quality paint and body, all brand new chrome, beautiful interior, and the undercarriage on this 67 Fastback is stunning. I mean, just beautiful. Make sure you go to the website, coyoteclassics.com, check out the undercarriage pictures to see the overall quality of this car.
The videos and pictures don't do it justice.
No.
You know what I mean? You just got to look at the undercarriage. Make sure you look at the quality of the paint in the inside of the trunk.
And we're going to preface opening the hood with this statement. So this car, the guy had spent so much money on the beautiful restoration, paint, body, interior, that when it came down to the drivetrain, you know, he'd spend his dollars on the paint and body and stuff like that. So he ended up putting a 6-cylinder straight 6 in this car. It is a factory C-code V8 car.
Yep.
So it's a great candidate for someone that wants a show quality 67 and just drive around and enjoy right now the way it is. Or you could put in whatever Ford drivetrain you want, and you have, you know, you put in a $6,000 motor and you increase the value of this car by $25,000.
Exactly. And you know, it's something we also put in the ad. We can definitely do that for you as well. It's just we didn't know what to do, right? We could put a 289 in it, we put dual exhaust, whatever you want to do, we can do it. Or you can do it yourself,
Correct.
right, and save money.
And that's what we thought with this car is, because Chad and I are like, well, do we put a you know, higher horse blueprint in it? Do we just put a stock 289 in it?
Do we do a Coyote motor?
Yep, do we do a Coyote? So then we thought, why don't we just put this car out there and let the next guy that buys it decide what he wants for an engine,
or drive it exactly like this and win trophies with this car.
Exactly. So, and if it is something you want to, like Chad said, have us do an engine, we can get you prices on that, and we do have a shop, so we
Look
can
at the quality of the paint under the hood,
that.
and just the top of the inner fenders, the back firewall, brake lines are all new. What a restoration. The guy did a fantastic job. Again, factory C-code V8 car. Only reason he put the 6 in is his dad had one. It was all rebuilt sitting there in the shelf. Okay, that's it.
The bottom side of the hood paint's got the deluxe hood with the turn signal.
Does have the C4 in it too. So I mean, that the V8 motor will bolt right into the transmission. So
nice.
If I had a 289 sitting here ready, I would have already done that. I just didn't.
Correct. But then the car would have been much more
money,
expensive than it is right now. But just even around here in around the headlight bezels and stuff, the quality of the paint is gorgeous, and the time of day we're doing this video, it might not come through the best, but it's going to be windy this afternoon, so we wanted to get this up before the wind comes through. But just know the car's extremely nice. One thing I see for just this little pony horse and corral there, it's just original. It's got some very light pitting, but very nice. Hood lines up great.
We also put brand new 17-inch American Racing wheels and tires. Brand new, don't have any miles on them right now. So
hood fits perfect here, the top of the fender.
He did a great job, not only in the paint and body, but just on the gaps. Like the passenger door is fantastic, front and back.
Yeah. Look at your straight body work.
Look at as we open up the doors. Door jamb paint is beautiful. Everything was painted completely off the car hood, trunk lid doors. Interior is restored as well. The only thing the next person might want to do if they want to make it perfect like the rest of the car is just those back plastic pieces back there. You know what I mean? You can replace those. Somebody put some speakers in them at one time, so they were covered, but you can definitely replace those if you want. Other than that, the original steering wheel, dash cluster, and it's got a little factory kind of, looks like a factory tack. I don't know how they found that.
Yeah, it's really cool right there.
It's not factory, but it really fits in there nicely, doesn't it? And it works.
It looks like something that, you know, parts places sold back in the 60s for something like this. Roof line on these are gorgeous.
Look how the door shuts on it, just
beautiful. I'm going to show you a quick sneak peek of the undercarriage here. Just a beautiful car. Everything's like brand new underneath there. All painted that really nice red oxy primer like it would have been from the factory.
I mean, you can't get a piece of crap roller for, you know what I mean?
For 25 grand,
no,
you know, for
heck no.
And that's just a rusty old no motor transmission roller.
This just tells you the quality of the restoration right here. Look at that. All throughout is how this car was done.
Like we were talking, this is the perfect car for somebody that's, you know, a Ford guy, probably's got couple cars that's got a nice engine built and sitting around,
Yep.
and doesn't want to spend the money or time on paint and body, but it's like a blank canvas with
Exactly.
like a show quality canvas.
But they'll get to it when we take it out and drive it. The mechanics are done as well. So it's not just like a painted body, right?
Yeah.
I mean, all the mechanics are done. The car drives beautiful.
Yeah, and everything looks like it works on it too.
Hell, the kickdown even works on the transmission.
That's what's neat with this. You don't have to do anything right now. You could drive it and enjoy it for as long as you want.
Looks to me like the driver's side door and hood fit just as nice as the passenger front and back.
Yeah, I mean, this car win you some awards at your car shows.
It's got the deluxe hood too, which is nice.
Yeah. Everything fits great, very straight.
Factory door tag there. All new rubbers, all new felts, door panels, seats, everything's new.
Beautiful. Probably the best year for Mustang.
It's my favorite. 67 and 69 are my favorite.
Yeah.
Starts with 67 and it's got to be a 69 right after that. Looks like we got an Alpine CD player. Let's see what we got here.
Wipers work.
And nice and quiet too. 2 speeds, both speeds work.
Heater fan works.
Horn does not work.
That tach and dash works. Oil pressure.
Temp gauge works as well. Gas gauge works. Put a new sending unit in it, so that's working, and it's all the way at full right now. Filled the tank up. Looks like the old Alpine does not work, huh?
But if it was me, I'd put, you know, something newer, more modern in that anyway. But
oil pressure gauge works. Temp gauge works. Transmission selector. Light even works.
That's
See,
pretty
that's
cool.
what I'm talking about. It's just a nice restoration. Bushings are good there. Turning signal indicators all work. Goes down the road great. Does have drum brakes, but we went through all the brakes and they stop absolutely perfect. The alignment's nice. It's just a nice tight car,
It is.
isn't it? The steering's super tight on it. Speedometer works great.
kick down even works like you mentioned earlier.
Look how nice it goes down the road, 65 mile an hour.
Beautiful.
That's what I'm saying. It's had a ton of money spent on this, inside and out and mechanically. Just a perfect candidate for whatever you want to do with it from here on out.
Absolutely.
70 mile an hour. I mean, it's not like you can't cruise it down the interstate all day like this.
Exactly.
They're 72 mile an hour right now. Perfectly straight. I just kind of keep wanting to drive it.
I know, it's a fun driver. And we're even going to pass the Kia with it.
Hell yeah. Pass the Kia.
But it does, it drives
I just want to see how fast they can get this 306. She's pushing 80.
It's getting there.
All right, 80 mile an hour, 306.
Great car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.